Have you ever noticed how much power darkness holds over us? A simple power outage can turn everyday objects into menacing shadows, making the familiar feel strange and unsettling. Our fascination with darkness might seem puzzling, considering it's essentially the absence of light. Yet, darkness is much more than just a lack of illumination. Think about famous works of art, literature, and music that use darkness as a central theme. It delves into the very core of our existence, impacting our daily lives in ways we might not even realize. We typically think of it as bouncing off the surface and entering our eyes as reflected rays. When we look up at the night sky, we're witnessing the absence of light from distant stars and galaxies. This apparent darkness reveals the vast expanse and emptiness of space, reminding us of our tiny place within the grand scheme of the universe. It's in the darkest moments that we often find the strength to confront our challenges and emerge even stronger. Think about times when you faced adversity or personal struggles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share for more thought-provoking content. And now, we'd love to hear from you. What does darkness mean to you? How has it influenced your life or inspired your creativity? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Together, let's continue to explore the endless wonders of our universe and the mysteries that lie within. You might have felt overwhelmed and uncertain about the future, but it was through these challenging times that you discovered inner resources you didn't know you had. You learned to adapt, persevere, and seek support from those around you. Darkness can be a catalyst for positive change, pushing us to grow and evolve in ways that we might not have otherwise. It allows us to reevaluate our priorities, reflect on our choices, and consider alternative perspectives. Sometimes, darkness is necessary to break down old patterns, limiting beliefs and harmful behaviors that no longer serve us. It gives us the opportunity to start fresh, setting new intentions and pursuing different paths. Furthermore, darkness holds a special place in many religious and spiritual traditions. It's often associated with the unknown, the mystical, and the transformative. In Christianity, for instance, the phrase, "the dark night of the soul," refers to a profound spiritual experience where one is stripped of earthly attachments and ego, leading to a deeper connection with the divine. Similarly, in various pagan traditions, darkness is revered as a time for introspection and renewal, a period for honoring the cycle of life, death, and rebirth. By embracing the darkness and facing our inner demons, we can emerge with a renewed sense of purpose and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. However, what appears dark to our eyes is anything but empty. From the deepest fears that lurk in the shadows to the boundless creativity it inspires, darkness shapes our human experience in countless ways. It evokes our primal instincts, alters our perceptions, drives scientific exploration, and fosters a sense of wonder and hope. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe, let us not forget the profound impact darkness has on our lives. May it forever remind us of the delicate balance between light and shadow that makes life all the more vibrant and meaningful. The renowned physicist Carl Sagan once said, "The universe is full of obscenity, but it's only partly dark." Indeed, the darkness of space is filled with cosmic wonders, including nebulae, star clusters, and even black holes. These celestial objects not only enrich our understanding of astrophysics, but also inspire awe and humility. Just imagine the breathtaking beauty of the Orion Nebula, a stellar nursery where stars are born. Or ponder the enigmatic nature of a black hole, a region of space-time where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape its grasp. By studying these phenomena, we gain insights into the fundamental laws governing our universe, recognizing that darkness is not merely an absence, but a portal to some of the cosmos's most spectacular wonders. But what if there's more to this interaction? Enter quantum mechanics, which proposes that light can exhibit both wave-like and particle-like properties. When the sun is shining brightly, its overwhelming glow drowns out the fainter light coming from distant celestial objects. This makes it extremely difficult to detect and analyze these phenomena. However, during periods of darkness, the absence of sunlight allows astronomers to turn their telescopes toward the cosmos and capture valuable data. With specialized instruments, they can detect faint signals from stars, galaxies, and other celestial wonders, expanding our knowledge of the universe. In fact, many groundbreaking discoveries in astronomy have come from observations made during darkness. For instance, the discovery of Pluto as the 9th planet in the solar system was made possible by analyzing the perturbations in Neptune's orbit, which could only be detected when the glare of the sun was absent. Similarly, the detection of gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime caused by massive astronomical events, relied on highly sensitive instruments capable of measuring minuscule changes in distance during periods of darkness. Without darkness, these and countless other discoveries would remain hidden, emphasizing the crucial role it plays in advancing our understanding of the universe. This means that when light hits an object, it can be absorbed, emitted, and even entangled with particles at the atomic level. Such phenomena lead to intricate interactions that can reveal the true nature of light and matter. To understand these complex interactions, scientists have developed advanced tools and techniques to study light in its various forms. One remarkable example is the observation of spontaneous parametric down conversion, where a single photon is split into two entangled photons upon interacting with a special type of crystal. These entangled photons maintain a connection, meaning that actions performed on one affect the other instantaneously, regardless of the distance separating them. By harnessing these quantum properties of light, researchers are pushing the boundaries of communication, computing, and cryptography, exploring uncharted territories in our quest to comprehend the universe's deepest mysteries. Take, for example, the realm of dreams. As night falls and we drift off to sleep, we often find ourselves transported to fantastical realms where anything seems possible. Dreams allow us to explore the deepest recesses of our minds, confronting our fears, desires, and unresolved emotions in a safe space. This introspective journey would not be possible without darkness providing the necessary cloak for our minds to wander freely. Moreover, darkness plays a crucial role in maintaining our biological rhythms. Our bodies are attuned to the natural cycle of day and night, and darkness helps regulate our sleep-wake cycle, also known as the circadian rhythm. When darkness envelops us, it signals to our internal biological clock that it's time to rest. This triggers a cascade of hormonal changes that promote relaxation and sleepiness, allowing us to recharge for the day ahead. Disruptions to this cycle, such as exposure to artificial light at night, can have detrimental effects on our health, highlighting the vital role darkness plays in keeping us in sync with the natural world. From Edgar Allan Poe's haunting tales of the macabre to the eerie landscapes of Caspar David Friedrich's paintings, darkness has long been a muse for artists, provides a dramatic backdrop that heightens emotions and adds depth to storytelling. Consider the opening scene of Shakespeare's Macbeth, set on a dark and stormy night. This immediately establishes an atmosphere of suspense and foreshadows the play's themes of ambition, guilt, and despair. Or recall the chilling opening sequence of Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho, where the black and white imagery and discordant strings underscore the mounting dread as Marion Crane drives towards the Bates Motel. In these instances, darkness becomes more than just a setting. It's a character in its own right, shaping the mood and magnifying our emotional response. It's a catalyst for our creativity, a source of mystery, and even a key to understanding the vast universe we inhabit. So, get ready to dive into the depths of darkness and discover how it shapes our reality in ways we never imagined. When we think of darkness, we often associate it with negative feelings like fear and uncertainty. Ancient cultures were no exception. Many myths and legends depict darkness as a frightening force, personifying it as a monster or a deity that lurks in the shadows, waiting to strike. These stories served an important purpose, instilling respect and caution in the face of the unknown. After all, when our ancestors ventured into dark caves or dense forests, they couldn't see potential dangers lurking nearby. Darkness literally meant the difference between life and death. Even today, we use phrases like a dark secret or a dark past to describe something scary and hidden. Darkness has become synonymous with the unknown, which can evoke anxiety and apprehension. We might avoid walking alone at night in poorly lit areas, not because there's a real danger, but because our minds conjure up images of lurking figures and unexpected attacks. Likewise, we might find comfort in leaving a nightlight on while we sleep, even if it doesn't actually make us safer. The mere presence of a small, friendly glow can soothe our fears, showing us that the darkness isn't all-consuming. Okay? However, while darkness may trigger our primal fears, it also holds immense power to captivate our imagination and inspire creativity. But the influence of darkness goes beyond our cultural expressions. Now, let's shift our perspective and explore the fascinating scientific view of darkness. What happens when light hits an object? The significance of darkness extends far beyond our planet. It's a fundamental aspect of the cosmos itself. Moreover, darkness holds immense value in the field of astronomy, as it enables us to observe and study the universe in ways that would not be possible during the day. And finally, darkness can also be a source of hope. In conclusion, darkness isn't merely the absence of light. It's a multifaceted phenomenon that profoundly influences our reality. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the depths of darkness.